Hi everyone, with this video we will demonstrate how to assemble
Samsung Galaxy M01s.
To begin, assemble main PBA. Assemble lens cover. Tighten 8 screws. Assemble sub PBA. Connect all connectors. Fix and align coaxial cable. Assemble rear steel holder. Tighten 3 screws. Assemble the speaker. Tighten 8 screws. Connect fingerprint scanner. Assemble the rear case. Assemble the SIM or SD card socket. At last, do the final inspection. So this is how we can assemble Samsung Galaxy.
M01s.
Hope this video was a great help. Thank you for watching.